Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can recover your Google Merchant Center account which is suspended due to misrepresentation or Google Shopping Ads policies. So stay with me, I am showing you how. So friends, recently I have recovered this account, and I have also recovered other accounts which were suspended due to misrepresentations. And one common thing I found in these accounts is that most of the clients were not able to fix their shipping policies. And once you know how to write a good policy like shipping policy, then definitely your account will be recovered. So I'm showing you the email which I received after reviewing my Google Merchant Center accounts. So I'm just showing you email from Google Merchant Center. Yeah, so this is the my client from USA, for which I have recovered his suspended Google Merchant Center account, which was suspended due to misrepresentations, and recently I have recovered his account. So server link. Okay, so this was the case opened for account suspension. And merchant, it is not here, mail merchant center, the requested review. Just give me some time. Yeah, this is here. So the requested review of your merchant center account has been completed, and you can you can show the status here. So this account was recovered from misrepresentation suspension issue in Google Merchant Center, and another account also was recovered. Oh, the server will blink, so just give me time. I'm showing. So most of these account suspended because they are not able to show like a policy in how many days they are providing shipping to their customers, and there are a lot of differences in their shipping policy on website and shipping policy in Google Merchant Center account. So what you need to do is, I'm just showing you what I have done for my clients. So actually client was not able to fix shipping policy, so I show him. Yeah, actually he has mentioned that he provide free shipping for sorry, he charges $10 for free shipping, but in his merchant center account it was showing that he is charging $24.66. So I asked him that on your website you have mentioned that you provide orders for $10, and but you have uh, mentioned in GMC account that uh, you are charging $24.66. Then he corrected his shipping policy, and his account was recovered next day. When you will submit the review within, I said that within 3 to 4 hours I will submit review, and his account got activated. So, and one account is still in suspension because client is not able to fix policy even after suggesting some changes. So you can see the screenshot. Actually client had provided that client was not able to provide actual time which he mentioned on the website. So handling time was different on his website and Google Merchant Center account. So just to fix 2 or 3 things in your account and website, and your Google Merchant Center account will be definitely recovered. So I'm showing you another account also which was recovered recently. Google Merchant Center. Actually, I got a lot of emails, so that's why tppl.org.in. So I recovered this account 8 days ago. So this account was also suspended due to misrepresentation. So just fix 3 things on your website and GMC. One is like a business information, second is like payment method, and third is shipping policy. So if you fix these 3 things, then your account will be recovered easily. And shipping policy, Google prioritize shipping policy. So what you will have to do is, you need to write same shipping policy in Google Merchant Center and website also. So I think these three things, once you fix these three things, your account will be recovered easily. And if you are still not able to figure out what causing your Google Merchant Center account suspension, and why Google Ad support is sorry. Actually, I'm making video in the night, that's why I'm having some issues. So if you are not able to figure out why your account is not getting recovered, then you can also message us. We also provide Google Merchant Center account recovery service. So you can message on us on our WhatsApp number, which is 9795387551, and you can also visit our website. We have provided our details here, so you can contact us. So this is our email ID, contact@ppcdaily, and our phone number is here. So if you are still not able to recover your account, then you can message us, and this is a completely paid service. Thank you.